For numbers 4 and 5, you're writing the standard equation of a circle with a given center and radius. So remember, the standard form is where you have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So you have to know these two things in order to write the standard form. The center is the point hk, and the radius is your r. So remember, it's squaring the radius on this side, and when you put your h and k in, this sign will be the opposite of whatever your h and k is, since the general form has the subtraction in it. So when we write the equation here, we're going to be putting the -3 in for our h, our -5 in for our k, and our 5 in for the r value. So now I can write the equation. Since it's x minus h, I have x minus a -3, so that becomes a +3. So don't forget, that sign will always be the opposite of what your center coordinate is. Don't forget the squaring on that binomial. Plus y minus k squared, so we have y minus a -5, which again makes that a +5 squared. And then equals the radius squared. So you don't put 5 here, you have to square it. 5 squared is 25. So this is the standard form of the equation. So if you were given the equation and asked to find the center and radius, remember, when you pick out your center point, you have to change the sign. So it'd be -3, -5. And when you take the radius from this, you have to take the square root. You have to undo the squaring. So the square root of 25 is where the radius of 5 comes from.